to know where this house is?
Everybody knows the Cliff House. Fare $75, holiday pricing.
Anxiety, keep on trying me.
Listen up, everyone. It is Labor Day weekend. The Kells are entertaining every day. All details flow through me.
There's a transient person at the house asking for you. She's carrying hot garbage. She says she's your sister.
No. I told you Dad got diagnosed with early onset dementia and you said
A fruit basket! Welcome, ladies. Sips and nibbles are in the back.
What is this place? And why does everyone look like an Easter egg? Is this still their property?
Michaela, she's my boss. I get to call her Kiki. It's a really special honor.
Whoa, she holding a scepter?
Who's this? This is my sister.
I didn't know you existed.
Trust me, Simone and I are very close.
Then why didn't she tell me about you?
Where are your tattoos?
I removed them.
Our matching sister tattoo?
Kiki said it was trashy.
My sister
Seems to really worship your wife.
Yeah, Kiki has that effect on people.
Breath. 10 out of 10. Mine?
Take my gum.
Dad keeps asking me where you are. You don't feel any responsibility for him. He didn't feel any responsibility for me. I love who I am here. I am the only person who has always had your back. Kiki has my back.
I'm not the monster that you think I am.
She's got like a weird power.
All of us do.
These are the best times of your life.
This Michaela bitch has her talents so deep in your brain that you can't even tell you're in trouble.
This is the happiest I've ever been.
We have got to get out of here. No one knows you like a sister, and no one loves you better.